Guys, here's number 10 on page 3. There's actually a long way we need to do this one. It will not work out if we just divide each side by x squared minus 25. We're going to have to do the work here, and it's a lot of work, but we're going to have to do it or else we will not get the correct answer. We have to distribute this 6x to these guys, so we get 6x cubed minus 150x equals 12x squared minus 300. We have to get everything to the same side if we're going to solve. So I subtract 12x squared. I also add 300. So on this side now I'm going to have 6x cubed minus 12x squared minus 150x plus 300 equals 0. I can GCF out a 6, and it's important that I do so or this problem would be big. You could do it, but GCF out that 6 as always. So we get x squared, or x cubed minus 2x squared minus 25x plus 50. All that equals 0. This 6 is just going to come down all the way through. We're not going to mess with it anymore. Here we have a four-term polynomial, so we're going to have to group. If we group like this, we can pull out an x squared. We get x minus 2. I'm going to pull out a negative 25. I get x minus 2 there. So now if I factor out an x minus 2, I get x squared minus 25 here equals 0. This 6 comes down. I can factor this to get x plus 5, x minus 5. And this is still an x minus 2. And here's a 6 there. So our answers here, we're going to have 3 of them. It's going to be 2 or negative 5 or positive 5. 3 different answers here. And you may wonder why you can't divide by x squared minus 25 on both sides. And the reason is, if you just divide by x squared minus 25 and x is 5 and x is positive 5, what does that mean? If x is positive 5 or negative 5, I should say, you're going to have divided by 0, right? So if those are solutions and you divide this, you're not going to get them. You're not going to see them as solutions, but they really are. So 2, negative 5, and positive 5 are all solutions here. So we cannot divide by x squared minus 25 because, in fact, by doing so, we're dividing by 0, which is not legal mathematically. Hope that helped, guys.